we're in Hoi An at the minute. We landed in Da Nang airport and then our hostel picked us up for about £12 for about an hour's journey up
Just under
here.
an hour, I think, really.
Yeah. We're on the hunt to find some food because we're hungry. And I have only had 2 sips of a coffee and about that much of a lemon tea today.
Whose fault's that?
Well, we've been in a rush all day. When you're at airports, they just take everything off you anyway, so
Yeah.
yeah, can't really see 'cause I'm dehydrated, so.
Num num.
These cost about £2 and they're proper homemade.
Neighborhood beside, she has the hot or cold Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah, and they were, you were unsure because we were around in Queen sister and this man.
Sauce only here, not the same Hoi An. My menu. You on top the chicken, beef, calamari, lobster, oyster, scallop, everything for grill, and everything for steamed fish, and everything for yourself. For yourself, okay? Hi. One, two, okay?
Yeah.
In the middle. In the middle, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
You on two sides.
Yeah.
Then
I don't know chopsticks.
put your airplane.
So much food.
Oh, it's nice, you video.
The chopsticks again, Jim?
Yeah, here. Oh, it's nice. Halloween.
Yeah.
You can watch it before too.
Anh Quang mà không có bữa nữa. Để lại về Nam ta. Dạ kém 10 vào cái đít gân. Ở đây, thế này đánh rắm. Đánh rắm. Mà cắn đâm xài. Mà tôi quay xài vừa quánh tôi quay cho tôi tặng. Mà cắn đâm xài. Giờ không quay, lắc lắc thôi.
There's one there, though. But you want me to?
Yeah.
Perfect. Hello.
Oh, stop. That's so cute.
So we're going to a yoga class, and it's probably going to go badly because I am quite stiff.
Me too. It's apparently, well, you can just drop in.
Hold on one second. Look at all those ducks.
Oh my god.
Yeah, drop-in yoga class. Sorry.
Yeah,
little
your
little duck
drop-in's a
break
bit
off.
cheaper. No, wrong one. Your drop-in's more expensive at 220,000 Vietnamese dong, which is about £7. But it's for an hour, so. And it looks over the countryside in Vietnam.
Hands, bring your hands behind you down. Hands down. Hands down. Perfect. Beautiful. Push up. Push your arms up and stay there. Beautiful.
sleeper bus, but here we are.
Out of all of our times previously in Asia that we've done travelling, we've never been on a sleeper bus. And one of the buses we did was like 16 hours, and even that wasn't a sleeper bus. And this one's like 4 hours and we've got a sleeper bus.
In the middle of the day.
It's comfy though.
Not complaining yet?